Next topic in structure of atom is atomic number. What is atomic number? Number of protons in an atom of an element is called atomic number of that element. So I can say atomic number will take off an element, and this is always equal to number of protons in one atom of that element. How many protons are there in an atom of an element? That is equal to atomic number. And atomic number is denoted by a letter Z. It is denoted by a letter Z. The atomic number is denoted by the letter Z. For example, if I take atomic number of sodium, example, atomic number of sodium is equal to 11 because there are 11 protons in sodium. So I can write Z is equal to 11. Similarly, atomic number of carbon, if I'll take, that is equal to 6. That means Z for carbon is 6. So Z denotes the atomic number of an element. And atomic number of an element is always equal to number of electrons in that atom if that element is neutral. So atomic number of an element is equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom of that element. If atom is neutral, then atomic number is also equal to number of electrons, because number of electrons and protons in an atom, they are always equal if atom is neutral. So remember here one thing, that atom should be neutral here. So I can write atomic number of an element, that is Z, is equal to number of protons equal to number of electrons also if atom is neutral. If atom is neutral, then they are equal to each other. So this is about atomic number. And now next after atomic number is mass number. Mass number. Mass number is equal to number of protons and neutrons present in one atom of an element. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons in one atom of an element. And protons and neutrons together, these are called nucleons. Proton and neutrons together, these are known as nucleons. So we can say mass number is equal to number of nucleons in one atom of an element. And mass number is denoted by the symbol A. Mass number is denoted by the letter A. For example, if we take mass number of sodium, mass number of sodium is equal to 23. That means I can write A is equal to 23 for sodium. Similarly, mass number of carbon is equal to 12. This means A for carbon is equal to 12, equal to number of proton plus neutron, equal to number of proton plus neutrons. So this is the mass number of an element that we can write by counting how many protons and how many neutrons are there in one atom of that element. Now, next is symbol of an element. How we can write symbol of an element? For that, symbol of element In this symbol of an element, we can indicate atomic number as well as the mass number. So atomic number is always written on the lower left side of the symbol. As subscript we'll write, but on the left hand side. And mass number is written on the upper left side as superscript, but always on the left hand side. So here comes atomic number and mass number we write here. Example, if I take for example carbon, I write the symbol of carbon, symbol of element carbon, then atomic number of carbon is 6, we write it here, and mass number is 12, so we write here as superscript, as subscript on the left hand side we will write. So this is how we can show atomic number as well as mass number of an element. When we write a symbol of an element, in that only we can indicate the two things. So this is always atomic number and this is always a mass number. So this is about what is atomic number and what is mass number. Now one question. Number of electrons are equal to 8 and number of protons in an atom are also equal to 8. Now question is, what is the atomic number? That means Z we have to calculate of this atom. What is the atomic number of the atom? And next, what is the charge? What is the charge on this atom? Is this neutral or there is some charge on this? Now, answer for this is A, atomic number, that is Z, is equal to number of protons in an atom. And proton given are 8. That means atomic number of this element is 8. B part. And proton and electron number, if it is equal, that means atom is neutral. There is no charge on this, as number of electrons are equal to number of protons. So no charge on this atom. It is 0. Next question now. Helium atom we are taking. Its atomic mass, that is A, is equal to 4U. Atomic mass is equal to the mass number only, beta. And 2 protons in its nucleus. There are 2 protons in its nucleus. So actually A is the symbol for the mass number, but here I am writing the atomic mass because approximately they are equal only. So just for the statement I am writing. Otherwise 4U is atomic mass given, and that is approximately equal to the this thing, that is equal to the mass number only. There are 2 protons in the nucleus. How many electrons and neutrons does this have? Electron number we have to calculate and neutron number we have to calculate in this. Now, since this is neutral atom only given, that means protons are always equal to number of electrons. So answer here is helium is neutral. Therefore, proton are equal to electrons. Therefore, electrons are equal to 2 in number. This is the first part. Then second part is neutrons, and this is the 4U is the mass given here. So we know that mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Since I told you that here the mass number is equal to the atomic mass only, so we write this as 4, and number of protons given are 2, and number of neutrons we have to calculate. That means number of neutrons will be equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2 here. So neutrons are equal to 2 in this case. But we should know here the mass number is equal to atomic mass. So these are the 2 questions related to atomic number and mass number.